everyone, and welcome back to English with Kaylee. Today is lesson 13 of our free English learning course. And in today's lesson, we are going to learn some pronunciation sounds in English. Let's get started. Listen and repeat the words and sounds. Let's look at the first one. Bird. Can you say it? Bird. Well done. The sound is Can you say it? Well done. Bird. Good job. The second sound we're going to practice is in the word owl. Owl. Can you say it? Owl. Well done. And the sound is ow. Ow. Good. Can you say it? Ow. Well done. Good. So remember the two sounds are and ow. Ow. Good. Well done. Let's try a short exercise. So write the correct words in the chart. Write the correct words in the chart. Her. How. First. Hour. Now. Surname. Let's say the words together to practice. Her. Good, well done. How. Good. First. Good. Hour. Well done. Now. Well done. And surname. Well done. So remember the sounds are and ow. Write the correct words in the chart below. If you want, you can pause the video and press play when you're ready to go through the answers. Okay, let's go through the answers together. So for bird, sound, we have her. Say it with me. Her. Good, well done. And we have first. Good job. And the last one is surname. Good, well done. And for owl, the ow sound, we have how. Say it with me. How. Hour. Good. And the last one is now. Good. Let's practice one more time. Her. First. Surname. Ow. How. Hour. Now. Good, well done. And that's the end of today's short lesson. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.